Hey guys, inequality is an important part of GRE, okay? So you need to know a thing or two. Let me explain that first, then we'll move towards questions, all right? So inequalities. For example, we have to know just one thing, that when we reverse the sign of inequality from greater than to less than and from less than to greater than. For example, this 5 is greater than 2. So when you bring this whole part from right side to left side and this whole part from left to right. So you have to change this inequality to 5. Now, will you put greater than? No, 2 is less than 5 now. So you have to uh, change the sign of the inequality. All right, this is one thing. When you replace that this side to that side and this side to that side, you exchange the sides. All right, we have to change the inequality sign. Okay, minus 5 is less than 7. Now, usually when dealing with equalities, equations, I mean, we can multiply both sides by negative sign, but not in inequality. You can multiply both sides by a negative sign, but you need to convert this into the other way around. All right, change it. So you multiply both sides by negative sign, that will be positive 5 and that will be negative 7. Now, is 5 less than minus 7? No, 5 is greater than minus 7. So you have to remember these two things, that whether you are exchanging the sides or you are multiplying both sides by a negative sign, you have to change the inequality sign. Sometimes what happens, you do both things same time. For example, this 2 greater than negative x plus 5. So you multiply both sides by negative sign and exchange the signs. So this will be x minus 5 and this will be negative 2. So x minus 5 and negative 2. You multiply both sides by negative sign and you exchange the values. So inequality won't change, but this thing rarely happens. Okay, most of the time you do one thing at a time. All right, now whether it is equality greater than or greater than equal to, less than or less than equal to, it's same thing, it doesn't matter. Okay, now we'll move towards questions. I will do the odd number questions and you will do the even number questions. Okay,